Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's episode we're going to be talking about gardening and mental health. So sit back, relax, grab a coffee, and I hope that you enjoy this episode. So if you've been listening to my podcasts, or you may have seen my Facebook or Instagram posts, I have been struggling a lot with mental health, and I've not been uploading videos, I've not been sharing live streams down at the allotment, I've not been interacting much at all with my followers, and I do apologise for that. I know I've been sent so many messages saying there's no need to apologise, do what's right for you, but having so many followers on various platforms, I do feel that I do have to apologise for not interacting as much as I should do. So I've been sent so many messages recently on Facebook and Instagram about the issues that I've been having, and also people getting in touch saying that they've been struggling as well. So for the last 3 months I have been struggling quite badly financially and mentally, and yeah, it's been a struggle. I've had to give up the best job ever, which was working in a garden centre doing what I love and enjoy, but I'm now going back to working in IT, which I've done for 16-17 years, which I do really enjoy also. I just fancied a change, working in a garden centre and trying to do the things that I enjoy, but it's not worked out for me, so hence the reason why I'm going back into IT. So that will mean that I'm going to be working 4 shifts on and 4 shifts off, so it'll mean that I do get a lot more time to spend down at the allotment, which is a bonus, and obviously create more content and videos for you to watch and for you to enjoy, really. One thing that I love about my page is creating the content for my followers, sharing the tips and advice that I have. One thing about gardening is that not everybody knows everything about gardening. A lot of the stuff is what you've just picked up, tried, and if it's worked for you, it could work for others. Nobody knows everything about gardening, and they shouldn't make out that they know everything, because like I say, it might work for them but it might not work for other people, so it's not always the written truth. So I'm looking forward to creating more content. Make sure that you do let me know in the comments below what sort of content that you would like me to create, as I'm looking at doing more content again. I won't be doing many lives at the moment, so don't mention the lives. I do like doing pre-recorded stuff a lot easier, as you can edit it and cut out the bits that you don't want, whereas not being on the ball all the time answering questions what people have. So I do like to pre-record a lot of my videos, so let me know in the comments. Also on my Instagram and Facebook I've been sharing daily tips. Let me know if you enjoy them, if they've been beneficial, as it's good to see what people think of them. I know, again, I've not been replying to the comments on the posts, so hopefully I'll get back on and reply to them. Would you prefer them as pictures as they are, or would you prefer them as a video of me explaining about the tip rather than just a picture, as sometimes a video can be a bit better than just the picture explaining it, really. So I'm looking at doing more content. So yeah, it's been a bad 3 months for me. I've been on the allotment today. I went down to the plot this morning and I sorted out some of my cucumber plants. I planted them outdoors this year as I hadn't got the time to go in my polytunnel and water them every day, which they would need if they're growing in the polytunnel. So I'm not going to get as big a crop as I would normally do having them outside. So I've been tidying them up and I found that they've got some cucumbers on them. I've not had any off the plants yet, so hopefully we do get some cucumbers off them, which will be a bonus. Also, I've been looking at my plum tree. I've shared a picture on Facebook today and Instagram of some plums that I've picked. It's a Victoria plum tree. I've had that in the plot since I gained the plot about 15-16 years ago, and it's produced so many this year. I didn't prune it at all this year, which is possible why it's done so well. It does need a prune though for next year because it's getting too big, so I do need to give it a good prune. So it's got so many plums on it. I've only picked a few of them today and I can't wait to eat them as they are so tasty. They're the best plums that you can grow. If you're wanting to grow a plum tree, grow a Victoria plum tree, as it will be absolutely beautiful. And also I've been sorting out some of my squash and my pumpkins as they are growing really well now. My pumpkins aren't particularly forming yet, but they are growing, so yeah, they are doing pretty good. So yeah, hopefully I will be doing a lot more streams and videos for you as I've been letting the Facebook down and YouTube. So make sure you do click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the videos what I post on here. And if you want to support me, if you're watching on YouTube, feel free to click the shop button below and have a look at all my t-shirts what are for sale. So yeah, as always, I hope you're all well. Keep smiling and remember, keep gardening, and thank you so much for all the support and messages I have received. It does mean the world to me. Thank you.